Okay, what you are going to do is you're going to spend some time mapping pre-images to images. The purple figure needs to be mapped onto the white figure. You'll find a series of transformations, and within each one of these there are settings. Translate is simply moving the object by using an arrow. Rotation, you'll see an angle of rotation here and whether or not you want to rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. So I will rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Reflections, you're going to have a line of reflection that you're going to have to create. It will reflect it over that line. And for dilations, there's a scale factor here, so you can make it larger or you can make it smaller. And you'll have the point of reflection. So it will expand it to twice the size in the direction of these arrows. It will use this as your center of dilation. And then if I wanted to, I could change this. By the time you're done with all of this, you should have mapped this to this. Now, obviously, for this particular slide, there was probably an easier way to do that. I probably could have taken it down here and then dilated twice the size from this point, and we would have done that, but I wanted to explain all the tools to you. Please complete all of these slides and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.